Hello friends, welcome to our Annam Brahmam channel. Today we will see a dosa which is a bajra dosa. This bajra is an excellent source of iron, protein, folic acid and fiber that keeps complex ailments like anemia, constipation, obesity in check and flushes out all toxins. These bajra grains are gluten free and doesn't stick together. They also release energy slowly because of the complex carbohydrates they possess. They are an ideal food for weight loss diet because they take time to digest and make one feel fuller. Before beginning my videos, surrendering my deep gratitude to my Guru, Bhagavan, His Divine Holiness, Sri Nityananda Paramashivam, who is the embodiment of Paramashiva himself. Hi friends, today in our Annam Brahmam channel we will see a breakfast recipe. When we say a list of breakfast, we say idli, dosa, puri, chapati, all these things. When we come to dosa, we have varieties of dosa. One such variety only we are going to see, it is called a bajra dosa. Usually children loves to eat dosa, white dosa, but when we give something healthy dosa, they may feel, oh no. But I say you try this bajra dosa recipe. Children will be loving to eat and it is a healthy dosa too. Let us see how to prepare this dosa. Bajra flour, 1 big sized cup I have taken. 1 small sized cup of rice flour I have taken. For example, if you measure in a tumbler, if 1 tumbler of 1 glass of bajra flour is taken, then you have to take only 1/4 of the rice flour, that is 1:4. The ratio is 1:4. Then we can take carrot, curd, coriander leaves, curry leaves, salt and little cumin seeds. Now we take a bowl and add this bajra flour into the bowl. Next the rice flour and curd. We will add the salt also. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon of salt. First let us mix all these ingredients nicely. The addition of rice flour is to give the softness of the dosa, and we will add little by little water. And the importance of adding the curd is, the curd helps to bring the dosa so smoothly. We will add some more water also and nicely mix well. It should be watery, it should not be like normal dosa batter, it should be watery. After mixing all the ingredients, just leave it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we open and see, and we will add cumin seeds, the grated carrot, curry leaves, chopped curry leaves and chopped coriander leaves. All these things are just the spices which will add taste to the dosa. Just mix well. Now after mixing well, you can see slightly it has become thicker. Now we will add some more water. It should not be thick like normal dosa batter. It should be liquid fluid. Like this it should be. If you want, you can add rava also to add more crispiness. Here I have not added rava. Let us see whether the dosa pan has got heated. Just sprinkle the water. It's completely hot. Now we will pour the dosa batter. After pouring, we just add oil. Around the corners and in the center, we add oil. Keep it in the medium flame. Don't keep it in either high or very low. If you keep it in high flame, it will become burnt. So we just keep it in the medium flame and close it with the lid. After 1 minute, we just open and see. See, it has become on the corner slightly crispier. So we will just turn it. And once again close it. After 1 minute, we open and see. Wow, so crispy. Dosa is ready. We will take it and serve it on a plate. Similarly, we will pour the next dosa also. Just every time before you pour, just stir the batter well and pour it. Add oil. Even you can add ghee also. close it with the lid. Open it. So nice fragrance it is coming out. Yes. So second dosa is also ready. It's so healthy and tasty dosa also. You just give this in the crispiness. Can you see how crispy the dosa is? Yes. So the crispy dosa, if you just give it to the children, if they're eating normal 3 dosas with this carrot, coriander leaves, curry leaves, which is adding taste to the dosa, the children will obviously take more dosas. And we will serve it on the plate. Crispy, tasty and healthy bajra dosa is ready, and it is served with groundnut chutney and coriander leaves chutney. The combination is so awesome. Please everyone try this recipe and give your comments, and please share these healthy recipes to your near and dear ones and let them to enjoy a healthy living. Press the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you. Have a healthy day.